What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be changing it up. I want to do something more fun, more interesting, and I edited this myself. I wanted to see what I could do to make it more cinematic, give it some slow-mo effect, make the editing seem cool and different. So for that reason the video is a little bit shorter, so I hope you guys enjoyed this self haircut. I'm going for like a high fade, still repping that buzz cut look, that short haircut. But yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned till the end to see the final product.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Do not go gentle into that good night.
Alright you guys, so here we've got the before. I wasn't in a drastic need of a haircut, but I was going on vacation this week and I wanted to look fresh, you know, gotta look fresh. Going to the beach, gotta get my, you know, my tan on, looking good. But here's the after. I gave myself a nice high fade. Didn't come out too bad. There was a few spots I could have did a little bit better on, but you know, it's all good. Not every haircut's gonna come out the exact same. I do change it up here and there with different clippers, different techniques and so forth. But decent high fade. What do you guys think of the short hair on me? I haven't done this in so many years, and having short hair it feels weird, but it's not too bad. Do you guys prefer the short hair, or do you prefer the longer hair on top? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really curious. I want to figure it out. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also, make sure you guys check out our self-haircut course, my second YouTube channel as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.